5 powerful fruits for kidney health and how to enjoy them. Hi there, welcome back to Towards a Better Life channel. Today we're going to talk about an important topic, how to naturally clean your kidneys using fruits. Our kidneys are amazing but cannot regenerate. Each kidney has about 1 million tiny filters called nephrons that clean our blood 24/7. These nephrons filter out what we don't need from our food, drinks, medications, and even pollution. As we get older, these filters can shrink, losing up to 20% of their function. So eating the right foods and avoiding toxins is essential to keep our kidneys healthy. Here's some great news. While genetics matter, you can help your kidneys stay healthy by eating the right diet. Just $1 a day spent on kidney-friendly fruits can make a big difference in your health. Want to know more about these amazing fruits? Keep watching. In this video, we'll show you 5 delicious fruits that help clean your kidneys and keep them healthy. We'll also give you tips on how to get the most out of these fruits. Remember, all the information in this video is checked by experts to ensure it's accurate and unbiased. So let's dive into the most powerful fruits for kidney health. Five, blueberries. Blueberries are really good for your kidneys. They have a lot of healthy things called antioxidants that can help protect your kidneys from damage. Blueberries are also low in sodium, phosphorus, and potassium, which is important for people who have kidney problems. Blueberries have special ingredients called anthocyanins that can help prevent urinary tract infections, UTIs. UTIs can be bad for your kidneys, so preventing them is important. Studies have also shown that anthocyanins might help slow down the progression of kidney disease in people with diabetes. Blueberries are also really good at fighting something called oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is when bad molecules called free radicals damage your cells. This can cause kidney problems, but blueberries have a lot of antioxidants that help fight oxidative stress and protect your kidneys. Eating blueberries can also help increase blood flow through your kidneys, which can help keep them clean and healthy. Blueberries can even help manage things like high blood sugar and high blood pressure, which can lead to kidney disease if they're not controlled. When you're buying blueberries, look for ones that are blue or bluish purple with a light white or gray coating on them. This coating means they're ripe and ready to eat. Try to avoid white or green blueberries because they're not ripe yet and won't taste as good. It's best to choose organic blueberries if you can. Regular blueberries can have a lot of pesticides on them, which can be bad for your kidneys. If you can't find organic blueberries, you can soak them in lemon juice or water with baking soda to help remove any pesticide residues. Then just rinse them off before you eat them. You can add blueberries to your breakfast or eat them as a snack every day. They're a tasty and healthy way to keep your kidneys in good shape. 4. Apples. Apples are a great fruit to eat if you want to keep your kidneys healthy. They don't have a lot of potassium, sodium, or phosphorus, which is important for people with kidney problems. Apples also have a lot of fiber, which can help lower your risk of getting kidney stones or kidney disease. Fiber helps your kidneys by reducing inflammation and making it easier for your body to get rid of waste. Apples also have a special type of fiber called pectin, which can help control your blood sugar and keep you from gaining too much weight. This is good for your kidneys because diabetes and being overweight can make you more likely to get kidney disease. Apples are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that your body needs. In one study, people with kidney problems ate 2 Fuji apples every day for a week, and it helped increase their antioxidant levels without causing causing any problems with their potassium. When you're buying apples, it's best to choose fresh whole ones. Regular apples can have a lot of pesticides on them, so try to find organic apples if you can. They have the most nutrients and don't have any toxic chemicals that can be bad for your kidneys. Don't peel your apples because a lot of the fiber and antioxidants are in the skin. Dried apples and apple juice aren't as good for you as whole apples. Dried apples often have added sugar and calories, and they lose some of their vitamin C. Apple juice is filtered and pasteurized, which takes out most of the antioxidants and fiber and adds a lot of sugar. When you're picking out apples, look for ones that still have the stem attached. Apples with bright, vibrant colors are usually tastier because they've gotten a lot of sunlight. Apples with less color are better for cooking. 3. Cranberries. Cranberries are a great fruit to add to your diet if you want to keep your kidneys healthy. They don't have a lot of sodium, potassium, or phosphorus, which is good for people with kidney problems. Cranberries also have a lot of healthy things called antioxidants, like vitamin C and other special ingredients that help protect your cells from damage. Cranberries have been used for a long time to help prevent and treat urinary tract infections, UTIs. UTIs can be painful and make you pee a lot, and they can put extra stress on your kidneys. Cranberries help by stopping bad bacteria from sticking to the cells in your urinary tract. Studies have shown that cranberry products can reduce the chances of getting a UTI by about 35% over a year. But remember, cranberries can help prevent UTIs, but they can't treat them once you already have one. Cranberries are also mostly water, so they can help you stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is important for keeping your kidneys healthy because it helps them filter waste out of your blood and turn it into urine. But don't drink too much water because that can make your body hold on to too much fluid and cause swelling. You can add fresh cranberries to oatmeal, salads, or smoothies. Be careful with dried cranberries though, because they often have a lot of added sugar and calories, which can make you gain weight and hurt your kidneys. Try to find organic cranberries if you can, and wash them well to get rid of any pesticides. Cranberry juice is popular for preventing UTIs, but a lot of the juice you buy in stores has too much sugar, water, and chemicals. It's better to eat whole, fresh cranberries instead. If you do drink cranberry juice, make sure it's 100% pure juice with no added sugar or chemicals. Look for cranberries that are firm, deep red, and not soft or moldy. You can also freeze cranberries to make them last longer, up to 10-12 months. 2. Pineapple. Pineapple is a tasty tropical fruit that can be good for your kidneys. It doesn't have a lot of potassium, sodium, or phosphorus, which is important for people who have kidney problems. Pineapple also has a lot of healthy things in it like vitamin C, manganese, bromelain, and beta-carotene. These can all help keep your kidneys working well. Bromelain is a special ingredient in pineapple that can help reduce swelling and inflammation in your body. This is important because inflammation and oxidative stress can make kidney disease worse. Bromelain can also help your body make more urine, which helps get rid of extra fluids and toxins. This is good for people with kidney disease who might have swelling. Pineapple also has a lot of vitamin C, which is an antioxidant that can protect your kidney cells from damage. Vitamin C also helps your immune system and can lower your risk of getting infections like UTIs, which can be hard on your kidneys. When you're picking out a pineapple, look for one that's firm but a little soft when you touch it. It should smell sweet at the bottom and have a bright yellow color. You can eat pineapple fresh, put it in smoothies, or use it to top salads and yogurt. But be careful with canned pineapple because it often has added sugar and preservatives that can be bad for your kidneys. It's best to choose fresh or frozen pineapple with no added sugar or chemicals. 1. Watermelon. Watermelon is a juicy fruit that can help keep your kidneys healthy. It's made up of a lot of water, about 92%, which can help you stay hydrated and make more urine. This is important because it helps your kidneys get rid of waste and toxins from your blood and stops kidney stones from forming. Watermelon is also low in potassium, sodium, and phosphorus, which is good for people who have kidney problems. Watermelon also has a lot of healthy things called antioxidants like lycopene, vitamin C, and beta-carotene. Lycopene is especially good because it can help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, which can make kidney disease worse. A study in 2017 found that lycopene can protect kidney cells from damage caused by oxidative stress and reduce signs of kidney injury in animals. When you're picking out a watermelon, look for one that's even in shape and doesn't have any bruises. It should have a creamy yellow spot on the bottom, which means it's ripe. The watermelon should feel heavy for its size, which means it has a lot of water in it. You can eat watermelon fresh, blend it into smoothies, or put it in salads for a refreshing and hydrating treat. Try not to buy pre-cut watermelon from the store because it might not have as many nutrients and could be contaminated. It's best to buy a whole watermelon and cut it up yourself so it's fresh and has the most health benefits for your kidneys. Wrapping up, we've talked about 5 delicious fruits that can help keep your kidneys healthy and working well. These fruits are blueberries, apples, cranberries, pineapple, and watermelon. Adding these fruits to your daily meals and snacks can give your body important nutrients, antioxidants, and water that are good for your kidneys and your overall health. When you're buying these fruits, try to choose fresh, organic, and whole ones as much as possible. This way, you'll get the most health benefits from them. And remember, before making any big changes to what you eat, it's always a good idea to talk to your doctor first, especially if you already have kidney problems or other health issues. Thanks for watching our video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and updates. Take good care of yourself and stay healthy.